Hello everyone. I'm sorry for not posting any videos, but I wanted to show you a web app that I've been working on for the past 2 weeks. A COBEN calculator. You can use it with the link in the description, or by going to the URL shown in this video. Make sure to like this video, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can get notified when I drop another video. Now, I do know about the calculator made by DocDesk, and it works pretty well, except that I don't really like how it looks on mobile, and it doesn't have an option to do systematic calculation. For the former, here's how my calculator looks on mobile. And for the latter thing, I'll get to that later. I know that my calculator looks kind of inconsistent, but that's what I'll be trying to fix over the next several days, so don't be surprised if the app changes its appearance overnight. I was focused on functionality, not looks. To use this app, you'll need some data, and that data can be from a spreadsheet. You might be thinking, why aren't these as one entry? I'll tell you what, my calculator is made with Mavo, a JavaScript library for creating reactive web applications without having to write the app's own JavaScript. My calculator really needed the interactivity, but I didn't want to code that myself. The Mavo plugin list separator implements the ability to use multi-line input, but it doesn't support splitting inside a line, so that's why these two lists are kept separate. They're still merged when the algorithm is run though. I do want to point out that multi-line input doesn't currently work on mobile, and it's really just an issue with the plugin. There is one more list which has the scores that you'll want to give the contestants for the next event. To demonstrate, I have some data from an RV that I hosted on my Discord server, contestant names, contestant scores after event 2, and rewards for event 3. Let me just grab it from the spreadsheet and copy paste it into the app. Two contestants will be eliminated, so I'll change the elimination count from 1 to 2. Then, let's hit calculate and wait for a while. Looks like the results are already here. I do want to point out that decimals should be formatted better, so I'll take care of that later. I can also show you which contestants these percentages apply to. In order to do that, I have to tick the Show Contestants' Names in the Calculation Results checkbox. Now we know who those results are for. It looks like 7 contestants are immune: Bonafide, Canary Yellow, Mini Pekka, Red, Sunglow, Phlox, and Laser Lemon, and Xanthic has the highest COBEN at 40.17%. I wanted to talk for a bit about systematic calculation. This time, I'll show the console. And I'll just fill this app with different data. When I click calculate, the simulations will be counted every 5% of the total, and the time elapsed is shown as well. Since 720 is way less than 1 million, the calculator will immediately switch to systematic mode, meaning that the results will be the same no matter how many times I click the button. But let's say I wanted to run 100 simulations. This time, systematic mode won't be used. When I click calculate, the results are now different. Now let's see what happens when I tick systematic. The calculator will always use systematic mode, no matter how many simulations are declared. Be aware that if you use systematic mode with more than 10 contestants, you must be patient to get your exact results. So there you have it, a brand new COBEN calculator that can do systematic calculation. Thanks for watching.